How to find and delete viruses on iPhone? Here's how to check and remove potential threats. First, it's important to know that iPhones rarely get traditional viruses because of Apple's built-in security. However, malicious websites, fake profiles, and suspicious apps can still cause problems. Start by restarting your iPhone. This can resolve temporary glitches that may seem like malware. Next, check for any unfamiliar apps. Press and hold the app icon, tap on Remove App, then tap on Delete App. Then again tap on Delete if you find something you don't recognize or no longer use. Now, clear your Safari data. Open Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Safari, then select Clear History and Website Data. Then tap on Clear History and Data, then tap Close Tabs. This removes cookies, cached files, and website data that could be causing browser issues. You should also check for unknown profiles. Go back to Settings again, then tap on General, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. If you see a configuration profile you don't recognize, remove it only if you're sure it isn't required by your school, workplace, or another trusted organization. Next, update your iPhone by going back to Settings. Then tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Installing the latest version of iOS helps patch security vulnerabilities. If your iPhone is still behaving strangely, back up your important data and use Erase All Content and Settings from Settings. Tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then restore your iPhone from a trusted backup. And that's it. These steps can help remove suspicious software and keep your iPhone secure. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.